a grace of the syndicate, Academy Council be passed that those persons, Master of Science, Master of Arts, Master of Commerce and professional courses, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce and professional courses be admitted to such degrees.
Okay, please do that the grades be passed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The grades is passed.
Yes.
जुहार गंगाधर मेहर विश्वविद्यालय चतुर्थ समावर्तन उत्सव के आपण मैंने आसी आम धन्यवाद दूचु ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द गंगाधर मेहर यूनिवर्सिटी आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू द 4th convocation ceremony of the Gangadhar Meher University. Thank you very much for your kind presence.
विश्व देखा मधुमय रे जीवन विश्व देखा मधुमय विश्व देखा मधुमय मधुर झरण करी बहरण मधुर झरण करी बहरण तो पाप मरण भय रे जीवन विश्व देखा मधुमय विश्व देखा स्नेह दयार प्रणय बुध बंधु सदालाप जनक आदर एक एक झर जनक आदर एक एक झर तड़ी देउछन्ति तापरि जीवन विश्व देखा मधुमय विश्व देखा मधुमय मधुमय बने मधुमय सने गाई मधुमय गीति विहंग मगण पुराती श्रवण विहंग मगण पुराती श्रवण मधु ढाली नीति नीति रे जीवन विश्व देखा मधुमय विश्व देखा मधुमय विश्व देखा
Now I request all of you to maintain silence because now we are going to play the national anthem. The technical team, national anthem, please.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much for your kind cooperation. Now, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to offer bouquet and felicitate our Chief Guest, Professor B.J. Rao. Honorable Vice.
Samastangu Namaskar. Honorable Chancellor and Governor of Orissa, Sriman Raghuveer Das Ji in absentia, esteemed Chief Guest, Professor B.J. Rao, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Central University of Hyderabad, Honorable Vice Chancellors of neighboring universities, distinguished guests, alumni of all batches, medal winners, PhD and other awardees, dear students, media friends, faculty members, and administrative staff. I, on behalf of the Syndicate and Academic Council of Gangadhar Mehar University, welcome you all to the 4th convocation in which 3,957 students are admitted to various degrees. This heritage institution named after Vishwa Amritya, Vishwa Manava Kavi, Gangadhar Mehar, has decades of very distinguished service to the educational needs of the region. The university, continuing in the same way, is registering growth in all relevant areas. With each year, infrastructure, academics, enrollment, research, and publication. The student strength now stands at 6,449 in 28 UG, 26 PG, and 23 PhD programs across 26 states. The sanctioned faculty and administrative staff stands at 144 and 120 respectively. They undertake themselves to actualize the vision of providing equitable and inclusive access to multidisciplinary education. Gangadhar Mehar University has been building assets and resources to create flexible pathways to each admitted student so that he or she grows intellectually, acquiring necessary skill sets. Annex building of classrooms, expanded library with e-resource center and with resources from consortium of universities from Orissa Higher Education Council, well-equipped skill center, additional computers and multimedia laboratories for schools, IT-enabled classrooms, central instrumentation facility, faculty cabins, renovated hostels, Divyangan Center, administrative building and e-office, and 3-storied building to house utility services are put to the service of the students and other stakeholders of the university. Second campus is getting ready with the academic building and hostel to begin with. More will come there soon. I would like to acknowledge the government and district administration for the support in building the second campus. Here I would gladly mention about all the alumni who have continuously maintained their association with and support to this alma mater, to their alma mater, GM University, making it a very special higher educational institution, not just in their hearts, but in the entire region. Further, the university has entered into active collaboration through functional memoranda with reputed and national level institutions like CSIR and other centrally funded institutions. The OCG Center for Geriatrics and Gerontology has been functional and progressing. The School of History has identified archaeological sites and been doing excavation and also adopting historical sites for good maintenance. The Bhimabhai Chair is being proposed for expansion into research center, which will help in bringing to the fore relevant teachings of Sant Bhimabhai. Add-on courses, close to 50 are offered. Research projects and publications with impact factor and patents by our hardworking faculty members are some of the academic achievements of the university. Now it is the time for the university to be accredited by NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Bengaluru, and accordingly steps are being taken. GM University is implementing the new education policy as per the decision of the government of Odisha. The core features of the policy, like this student-centered and experiential learning with flexible creative curriculum, imparting skill sets, automated credit bank and credit transfer, technology-enabled classrooms, and congenial research ecosystem are already in place. Bharatiya Bhasha, Bharatiya Jnana Parampara, the Indian knowledge system are being given due importance and brought into the curricula of schools of instruction. Pedagogical forms like community projects and action research are felt need of the policy. Faculty are encouraged to build their teaching capabilities further in their direction so that the interface with the students will be more productive and future ready. The policy acknowledges that teaching demands compassion, competence, knowledge, and ethical resolve. And accordingly, our teachers work collaboratively to mobilize the knowledge commons in dialogue with the younger generations who will inherit and co-construct the future of this country. In its pursuit to implement the policy effectively and set the students on a path to engaging citizenship and meaningful life, GM University recognizes two underlying principles. That is, first, education needs to embrace all levels and establish interconnectedness which may account for non-traditional educational trajectories and pathways. Second, there is a need for encompassing diverse sources of knowledge with the demonstrated validity and applicability. Such encompassing should also bring into its fold indigenous knowledges which should help the students to knowing, understanding the world better. The university shall put the student, as it should, at the very center of its pedagogical efforts. His or her life should be a life in continued learning and life to be well lived. Thank you. I welcome you all once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I seek the permission of Honorable Vice Chancellor and request, sir, to declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
Now I request the Chairman PG Council to announce for the award of degrees and medals.
Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Science, Master of Arts, Master of Commerce and Professional Courses, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce and Professional Courses, and pray that they may be admitted to the degree. Thank you.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Gangadhar Mehar University, I admit you to the PhD, PG and UG degrees in this university, and in token thereof, you have been presented with this diploma, and I authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of your degree. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the registrar to read out the names of the PhD candidates who are going to get degrees today. Sir.
Now I request PhD awardees to come onto the pendants and receive their degree from the chief. Madhusmita Tripathi, Statistic. Then Sananda Kumar Jhankar, statistic. Amrita Ekka, English. Abhinash Mohapatra, English. Geeta Devi Gupta, economics. Meenakshi Biswal, economics. Then Nilamani Maharana, psychology. Then Hemanta Kumar Murmu, commerce. Khirot Chandra Maharana, commerce. Pooja Bai Kevat, commerce. Saswati Meher, Odia. Sneha Prabha Sahu, psychology. Sanjit Kumar, biotechnology. Then Najia Arif, psychology. Then Pratyush Ranjan, political science. Then Kavita Patel, computer science. Deepak Kumar Behera, statistics. Nirupama Kujur, English. Then Bharati Mishra, political science. Gopikanta Suna, Education. Pramod Kumar Das, Philosophy. Satyaranjan Guru, Commerce. Priyanka Priyadarshini Malik, Political Science. Swati Agrawal, Economics. Suru Munda, Statistic. Miss Mamata Pradhan, Odia. Lipsita Das, Psychology. Subha Sandhya Sahu, Political Science. Narendra Pradhan, Sanskrit. Smriti Sikha Guru, Commerce. Then Bomkesh Bhoi, Physics. Balabhadra Karna, Sanskrit. Anvesha Banerjee, Psychology. Preeti Das, English.
Thank you, sir. A few dignitaries and good hearts of Sambalpur and Rourkela, Bargarh have instituted gold medals to be given to our toppers. So I read out the names for 2023 and 2024 respectively. First, Dayanand Satpathy Memorial Award. This medal has been instituted by Srimati Tilottama Satpathy of Sambalpur in memory of her father-in-law, late Sri Dayanand Satpathy. This medal is awarded to the overall topper of Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences of the GMU. This year, for the year 2023, this award goes to Megha Daga. Murtyunjay Pati Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Sri Shankar Prasad Pati of Sambalpur in memory of his grandfather, late Sri Murtyunjay Pati. This medal is awarded to the topper of Bachelor of Science in Physics with distinction of the GMU. For 2023, this medal goes to Sanjana Das. Bimbadhar Gontia Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Sri Satish Kumar Patel of Kuchinda in memory of his father, late Sri Bimbadhar Gontia. This medal is awarded to the overall topper of Bachelor of Science stream of the GMU. For the year 2023, it goes to Sudharma Kumari Singh. Lal Bihari Pujari Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Sri Govardhan Pujari of Sambalpur in memory of his father, late Sri Lal Bihari Pujari. This medal is awarded to the topper of Master of Arts in History of GMU. For the year 2023, it goes to Suchismita Naik. Jailal Das Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Dr. Kishori Das of Sambalpur in memory of her father, late Sri Jailal Das. This medal is awarded to the topper of integrated BEd class of GMU. For the year 2023, this medal goes to Debesh Sahu. Dr. Haribandhu Mirdha Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Srimati Anuradha Mirdha of Sambalpur in memory of her father, late Dr. Haribandhu Mirdha. This medal is awarded to the overall topper of Master of Arts in Odia. And for the year 2023, it goes to Soumya Madhupanna Tripathi. Gunanidhi Pati Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Professor Atanu Kumar Pati, former Vice Chancellor of Gangadhar Mary University, in memory of his father, late Sri Gunanidhi Pati. This medal is awarded to the topper of MSc in Zoology. And for the year 2023, it goes to Jyoti Odavanka. Parameshwar Das Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Dr. Srivanta Das of Sambalpur in memory of his father, late Sri Parameshwar Das. This medal is awarded to the topper of Master of Arts in Odia class of GMU. And for the year 2023, it goes to Soumya Madhupanna Tripathi. Kiranmoyi Mahapatra Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Sri Arun Kumar Mohanty of Bargarh in memory of his wife, late Srimati Kiranmoyi Mahapatra. This medal is awarded to the topper of Master of Arts in Education of GMU. For the year 2023, it goes to Nirmala Barik. Indumati Das Memorial Medal. This medal has been instituted by Dr. Kishori Das of Sambalpur in memory of her mother, late Srimati Indumati Das. This medal is awarded to the topper of PG in Sanskrit class of JMU. For the year 2023, it is given to Devi Krishna Devadarsini. Professor Umesh Patnaik Memorial Gold Medal. This medal has been instituted by Professor Umesh Patnaik. This medal is awarded to the second topper of MCOM class of JMU. For the year 2023, it is given to Asha Kumari Pandit. Sri Sanatan Nayak Gold Medal. This medal has been instituted by Srimati Chanchala Nayak in memory of her father, late Sri Sanatan Nayak. This medal is awarded to the topper among girl students in the PG Mathematics class. For the year 2023, it is given to Subhalakshmi Savitri Das. Harapriya Devi Toppers Medal. This medal has been instituted by Dr. Smita Devi of Sambalpur in memory of her mother, late Haripriya Devi. This medal is awarded to the topper of Bachelor of Science in Zoology. For the year 2023, it goes to Anurag Rathore. Sanjay Kumar Panigrahi Toppers Medal. This medal has been instituted by Dr. Smita Devi of Sambalpur in memory of her husband, late Sri Sanjay Kumar Panigrahi. This medal is awarded to the topper of Bachelor of Arts in English. For the year 2023, it is given to Anvesha Panda. Dr. Ramakrishna Panda Gold Medal. This medal has been instituted by Dr. Ramakrishna Panda of Sambalpur. This medal is awarded to the topper of postgraduate in botany. For the year 2023, it is given to Jyotirmayi Sahu. Scientist Dr. Nilachala Sahu Memorial Award. This medal has been instituted by Srimati Sarojini Sahu of Raurkela in memory of her husband, late Dr. Nilachal Sahu. This medal is awarded to the topper of Bachelor of Science in Chemistry. For the year 2023, it is given to Sudharma Kumari Singh. Memorial Awards for the year 2024. Dayanand Saraswati Memorial Award for 2024 goes to Khiprajyoti Das, topper BA in Social Sciences. Mrityunjay Pati Memorial Medal. UG Topper Physics for the year 2024. It is given to two candidates, Monalisa Sahu and Priyadarshini Pati. They have secured same marks. Bimbadhar Gontia Memorial Medal for 2024, Pooja Pradhan. Lal Bihari Pujari Memorial Medal 2024, Vinod Kumar Sahu. Jailal Das Memorial Medal 2024, Subhasmita Raut. Dr. Hadibandhu Mirdha Memorial Medal 2024, Deepak Kumar Bhutia. Gunanidhi Pati Memorial Medal 2024, Vikas Basanta Patel. Kiranmayi Mahapatra Memorial Medal 2024, Sikha. Kiranmayi Mahapatra Memorial Medal 2024, Sikha Sahu. Indumati Das Memorial Medal 2024, Indumati Das Memorial Medal 2024, Sonika Dhar. Professor Umesh Patnaik Memorial Gold Medal 2024, Rajab Pathak. Sri Sanatan Naik Gold Medal 2024, Nivedita Misra. Harapriya Devi Toppers Medal 2024, Pooja Pradhan. Sanjay Kumar Panigrahi Toppers Medal 2024, Galaxy Sahu. Ramakrishna Panda Gold Medal 2024, Subhra Sonali Patel. Scientist Dr. Nilachal Sahu Memorial Award 2024, Akash Padi. Now Toppers Medal 2023, I will call in groups. Topper in Master of Arts, Economics, Akanksha Purohit. Education Nirmala Barik, English Roji Seth, ज्योग्राफी अवंतिका देहुरी, हिंदी सबिना परवीन, हिस्ट्री सुचिस्मिता नायक, Please. 23. इकोनॉमिक्स आकांक्षा पुरोहित, एजुकेशन निर्मला बारिक, इंग्लिश रोजी सेठ, ज्योग्राफी अवंतिका देहुरी, हिंदी सबिना परवीन, हिस्ट्री सुचिस्मिता नायक, ओडिया सौम्य मधुपर्णा त्रिपाठी, फिलोसफी उर्मिला साहू, पॉलिटिकल साइंस सुकन्या लक्ष्मीप्रिया पात्र, साइकोलॉजी सोमप्रभा महापात्र, गेट रेडी स्टूडेंट्स, संस्कृत देवकृष्णा देवदर्शिनी, सोशियोलॉजी शताब्दी नायक, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी किरण साहू, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी सत्य सौरभ साहू, बोटनी ज्योतिर्मयी साहू, केमिस्ट्री योगेश अग्रवाल, कंप्यूटर साइंस सोनालिसा राहुल, लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस डम्बरुधर बेहरा, मैथमेटिक्स शुभलक्ष्मी सावित्री दास, एमएससी ईटीसी सोनालिका बिस्वाल, फिजिक्स दिव्य प्रकाश कर, स्टैटिस्टिक्स आकांक्षा साहू, जूलॉजी ज्योति अड़ाबांका, कॉमर्स प्रीतिनंदन प्रधान, एमसीए अंकित शेखर बारिक, एमबीए चंचल शर्मा, एमबीए एफएम दृष्टि तिब्रेवाल, First digit. Please. Now best graduates 2023. Best arts graduate Susanna Das. Best science graduate Sudharma Kumari Singh. Best arts graduate Susanna Das. Best science graduate Sudharma Kumari Singh. Best commerce graduate Sweta Chatterjee. Best arts postgraduate Nirmala Barik. Best science postgraduate Jyoti Adavanka. Best commerce postgraduate Pritinanda Pradhan. Best integrated BEd Arts Debesh Sahu. Best integrated BEd Science Sujit Kumar Sahu. Next category, Best Graduate 2024. Best Graduates 2024. Best Arts Graduate Khushi Kapoor. Best Science Graduate Pooja Pradhan. Best Commerce Graduate Riya Agrawal. Khushi Kapoor for Arts, Pooja Pradhan Science, Riya Agrawal Commerce. Best Arts Postgraduate Subhasmita Pradhan. Best Science Postgraduate Vikas Basanta Patel. Best Commerce Postgraduate Rima Das. Best Integrated B.Ed Arts category Trishna Das. Best Integrated B.Ed Science category Subhasmita Raut. (2024) PG Toppers. Economics Suchitra Tanti. Education Sikha Sahu. English Mansi Majhi. Geography Prabhat Kumar Suna. Hindi Manisha Agrawal. History Binod Kumar Sahu. ओडिया दीपक कुमार भूतिया. फिलोसफी खुशबू दास. पॉलिटिकल साइंस चुमकी नायक. साइकोलॉजी शुभस्मिता प्रधान, संस्कृत सोनिका धर, सोशियोलॉजी भैरवी महंत, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी सुचरिता जेना, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रियंका प्रधान, बोटनी शुभ्रा सोनाली पटेल, केमिस्ट्री पूजाराणी साहू, कंप्यूटर साइंस श्रावणी पाड़ी, लाइब्रेरी इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस संजना मेहर, मैथमेटिक्स जन्मजय बारिक, फिजिक्स शुभम पाणिग्राही, समीरा मेहर, स्टैटिस्टिक्स भूमिसुता बेहरा, जूलॉजी विकास बसंत पटेल, कॉमर्स रीमा दास, एमसीए शुभश्री बेहरा, एमबीए खुशी मित्तल एंड एमबीए एफएम समर्पिता महापात्र। यूजी टॉपर्स 2023 इकोनॉमिक्स लोचना प्रधान, एजुकेशन अंकिता प्रियदर्शिनी धर, इंग्लिश अन्वेषा पंडा। यूजी टॉपर्स 2023 इंग्लिश अन्वेषा पंडा, ज्योग्राफी मेघा दागा, हिंदी किरणमयी साहू। यूजी टॉपर्स 2023 हिंदी किरणमयी साहू, हिस्ट्री अभिषेक महापात्र, मैथमेटिक्स दिनेश मेहर, टू 2023 टॉपर्स 23 2023 टॉपर्स यूजी इकोनॉमिक्स लोचना प्रधान, एजुकेशन अंकिता प्रियदर्शिनी धर, इंग्लिश अन्वेषा पंडा, ज्योग्राफी मेघा दागा, हिंदी किरणमयी साहू, हिस्ट्री अभिषेक महापात्र, मैथमेटिक्स दिनेश मेहर, ओडिया कल्पना सा, फिलोसफी राजाराम नायक, पॉलिटिकल साइंस सस्मिता रोहिदास, साइकोलॉजी सुसन्ना दास, संस्कृत हेमांगिनी प्रधान, स्टैटिस्टिक्स सौरभ पाड़ी, बॉटनी अर्पिता बेहरा, केमिस्ट्री सुधर्मा कुमारी सिंह, कंप्यूटर साइंस सिपुन मेहर, मैथमेटिक्स सोनाली दास, फिजिक्स संजना दास, स्टैटिस्टिक्स सुचरिता पुजारी, जूलॉजी अनुराग रथ, कॉमर्स श्वेता चैटर्जी, बीबीए प्रतीति त्रिपाठी, बीएससी आईएसटी आशीष कुमार देवता, टॉपर्स इंटीग्रेटेड बीएड, इकोनॉमिक्स जयंती भोई, इंग्लिश अर्चना साहू, ज्योग्राफी देवेश साहू, हिस्ट्री टिकिना प्रधान, ओडिया शुभश्री प्रधान, पॉलिटिकल साइंस जोगेश कुमार त्रिपाठी, बोटनी सुजीत कुमार साहू, केमिस्ट्री स्मृतिमयी पंडा, मैथमेटिक्स प्रीतिश्री साहू, फिजिक्स आशा बारिक एंड जूलॉजी आस्था साहू। Last category of awards, UG Toppers 2024. Anthropology, Bandana Pradhan. Economics, Abhilasha Sahu. Education, Tejaswini Nayak. English, Galaxy Sahu. Geography, Khipre Jyoti Das. Hindi, Niharika Sahu. History, Priti Sudha Patel. Mathematics, Nehar Ranjan Choini. Odia, Padmalaya Bhoi. Philosophy, Shvetarani Pradhan. Political Science, Tina Patnaik. Psychology, Khushi Kapoor. Sanskrit, Khushi Ray. Sociology, Madhusmita Sahu. Anthropology, Ankit Kumar Sarangi. In the science category, anthropology science category, Ankit Kumar Sarangi. Botany, Barsarani Pradhan. Chemistry, Akash Padhi. Computer science, Molaya Sahu. Geography, Sobhagya Nag. Mathematics, Digvijay Sahu. Physics, Monalisa Sahu. Physics tie, Priyadarshini Pati. Statistics, Susri Subra Mahapatra. Zoology, Pooja Pradhan. Commerce, Riya Agrawal. BBA, Saubhagya Lakshmi Panda. BSc IST, Pragati Naik. टॉपर्स इंटीग्रेटेड बीएड इकोनॉमिक्स तान्याश्री प्रधान, इंग्लिश विश्ववंदिता मिश्र, ज्योग्राफी रंजित कुमार साहू, हिस्ट्री रोशनी छत्रिया, ओडिया तृष्णा दास, पॉलिटिकल साइंस शीतल प्रधान, बोटनी प्रीतम रामेश्वरम महापात्र, केमिस्ट्री विष्णुप्रिया बेहरा, मैथमेटिक्स कल्पना बेहरा, फिजिक्स शुभस्मिता राउत एंड जूलॉजी शीतल झांसी। कम तो Thank you so much. Now, I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir for the presentation of other degrees.
Let the recipients of other degrees be now presented.
Sir, I pray that those candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degrees in the year 2023 and 2024 may be admitted to their respective degrees in absentia.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Gangadhar Mehar University, I admit the candidates who have passed the examination in the year 2023 and 2024 to their respective degrees. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Before we request our Honorable Chief Guest for his address, give this opportunity to introduce our Chief Guest, sir, briefly. Our Chief Guest, Professor Vasudhkar Jagdishwar Rao, sir, is the Honorable Vice Chancellor of University of Hyderabad. Sir has served as Senior Professor, Chair of Biology, Dean Faculty at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, IJR, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, and was associated with Biology Department at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai, for about 24 years, and served as Senior Professor and Chair of the Biology Program before moving to the IJR, Tirupati in 2018. Sir is a National Science Talent Awardee, first in Andhra Pradesh and 16th rank in India. Sir has received his PhD from Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, and has worked as a research scientist at Yale University Medical School, USA, before joining TIFR Mumbai. Professor Rao is a fellow of all three National Academies of India. Sir J.C. Bose Awardee from the Department of Science and Technology. Sir has made fundamental contributions in the areas of genome biology and cellular regulations and adaptations, where he published about 160 peer-reviewed international publications with high citations and impact. Sir's publications range from experimental to theoretical biology to chemistry and also physics. Sir has chaired and has been a member of several national and international committees on various policy matters related to science, technology and education. Sir has widely travelled and lectured across the globe and is a strong votary of knowledge-centric, concepts-oriented, interactive modes of learning methods combined with a strong do-it-yourself critical thinking model. Professor Rao has won many awards and recognitions. He has contributed significantly as the chief editor of Journal of Biosciences, a flagship journal of Indian Academy of Sciences, and Springer Nature combined, and has been instrumental in its high impact. He has been a DST-inspired teacher, articulating the current excitements of basic biology to undergraduate students across India. Sir perceives biology as a complex manifestation of physics, chemistry, of a dynamically evolving system, and emphasizes the design principles in biology. He has delivered numerous technical and public lectures for varied audiences. Reaching young minds has been his passion. We are honored and we are fortunate that Professor Rao sir has honored the invitation of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, and he has taken the pain to come down to Sambalpur for this program. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to ask or request Honorable Chief Guest for his address.
Hari Om Tat Sat. His Excellency, the Chancellor of Gangadhar Meher University and the Governor of Odisha, Shriman Raghubar Das ji in absentia, Vice Chancellor Professor N. Nagaraj Garu, Chairman Postgraduate Council Professor Jnan Ranjan Swain ji, Registrar Shri Sanat Kumar Nayak ji, University Syndicate members, Academic Council members, awardees, graduating and other students, their parents, faculties, non-teaching staff of the university, distinguished guests and media friends. This is a special privilege for me to be the chief guest at the 4th convocation function of Gangadhar Meher University, Sambalpur today. This university came into existence on 30th May 2015 as a unitary university of higher learning in Odisha. Initially known as Sambalpur College, it was later renamed in 1949 after Shri Gangadhar Meher ji, a renowned Odia poet and worthy son of the soil. The college reached a milestone in 1964 when postgraduate departments were opened. Pre-doctoral coursework was also introduced in 2012 in 4 subjects. It's important to note here that the UGC identified the institution as a college with potential for excellence in the session 2004 and 5. The institution added another feather in its cap when NAC accredited the institution with A grade in 2015 and 16. The newly instituted Gangadhar Meher University has taken over from its autonomous college status and is now poised to achieve excellence. The university runs undergraduate, postgraduate, and research programs enrolling more than 6,300 students with necessary emphasis on program outcomes, skill sets, employability, etc., etc. Within a span of 5 years, it has made its mark conducting national and international level seminars, workshops, and conferences regularly under the dynamic leadership and long-term vision and missionary zeal of the incumbent Vice Chancellor, Professor Nagaraj ji. Can you give one round of applause, please? On this convocation, I want to congratulate the new graduates who are about to enter into the world of challenges as well as opportunities. I commend all the degree awardees, their parents, teachers, and the entire university for their unstinted efforts towards training the graduates into skilled workforce of the society today. The real journey of the life starts now for them. But they must remember that for all the challenges they face in the real world, the only solution and the savior is the power of education that they are endowed with. They must salute GM University for empowering them. All of us simply represent our minds. We become what our mind directs us towards. Gautam Buddha said it very succinctly. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. So the larger purpose of our life essentially depends on how we navigate our mind and its thoughts. Mankind, powered by the positive thought force of thinking and beyond, has uncovered two most significant knowledge streams, namely the creative arts and the natural sciences, both manifesting their results outwardly, which we all can see. Another stream that delves deeply internally within the human spirit that has shaped our spiritual knowledge. Different civilizations and at different time points of history have enriched the mankind with insights arising from these knowledge quests. Broadly, Eastern civilizations, largely from India, the Bharat, gave birth to rich spiritual knowledge, while the Western method of science ushered in natural science, while creative arts sprang up in multiple forms across different parts of the world. Mankind along its journey subsequently learned to organize the knowledge content, collate, store, communicate the same accurately and efficiently across generations. This produced an elaborate methodology called education. Societies that adopted and sharpened this tool called education further also succeeded in creating, sustaining, and scaling it up as high quality education, leading to the societal's prosperity and welfare. Needless to emphasize here that India, the Bharat, championed the call of education for centuries in its history, much before the Western world woke up to it. It is relevant to focus here on what is called good education, how to set it up, how to sustain it, and how to scale it up. This is a very crucial question and a challenge that most countries in this modern world are grappling with currently. It appears that the ability of a society and the country for imparting good quality education to its masses correlates well with the societal value system and its commitment to allocate sufficient resources towards achieving the same. India, as an ancient civilization committed to the quest of knowledge as its primary dharma, seems to have meandered into a journey where it has been faltering in setting up a robust high-quality education system for the country. National Education Policy 2020 has finally begun making the necessary course corrections in our education system today. For the first time after independence, Bharat has begun recognizing the power of educations towards achieving newer targets such as experiential, holistic learning through teaching in both regional as well as English language as the medium of instruction, where the credit framework maps the students' learning outcomes and skills into course credits. Teacher training, student internships are introduced as important, mandatory, and visible milestones in education landscape now, after so many decades. An earlier model that was largely degree certificate centric has now been replaced by multidisciplinary learning, skill centric model where the learners are being trained to unleash the power of education through higher order thinking methods. Wherever relevant, the take-homes of Indian knowledge system are being integrated into our curricula. NEP 2020 as a comprehensive policy document has all the right ingredients, but it is only as good as we sincerely implement it across all different stages of education landscape and do it well at scale. There is also a crying need to create a committed and passionate pool of teachers at all levels of education ladder in the country, both in public as well as in private space. our aspiration to reach a Vishwaguru status critically depends on how well and how fast we achieve this goal. The soul of NEP 2020 seems to rest entirely on this new breed of passionate and learned teachers. Primary, middle and high school infrastructure needs to be fortified across the country. That, along with its fresh hire of committed teachers, shall form the base of the education pyramid. Our emphasis on enhancing gross enrollment ratios at higher educational institutions through NEP 2020 will not meet a thumping success unless the country strengthens its base of the education pyramid, the schooling system. In parallel, both the state and the central governments must join hands in achieving this mission mode goalpost. Otherwise, Bharat, as the 5th largest economy, will miss the bus if we don't join our hands together. It's interesting to note that even though the moral fabric of a society does not solely depend on the educational prowess of its stakeholders, the ability of a society to navigate successfully through the complex web of socio-geopolitical dynamics definitely depends on how well the system is endowed with quality education, its associated grace and finesse. However, the society's moral fabric does rest on its deep value system, which in the long run is significantly shaped by quality of education. Enlightened societies, powered by the positive energy of quality education, are not only a source of strength for humanity, but also a blessing to the mankind, but also a beacon house of beauty and grace for the global community. And I hope you all become part of that grace. Some of us believe that ultimately deeper benefits of education must strengthen human mind by inculcating the traits of wisdom, discernment, and sensitivity such that unexpected and unwanted perils, risks of high technology, wars could be successfully navigated by the society well on time. Quality and deep education is a construct that appears finite and bounded, but is in fact infinitely impactful. These effects may not be immediately visible, but they do in the long run. So good education is a sure investment for future betterment of a society and for our Bharat. I conclude my address by complimenting again all the graduates of GM University who are passing out today, and may they be blessed with best opportunities to serve the society and the country with their talent. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to dissolve the convocation.
I dissolve the convocation. Thank you.
Now I request all of you to kindly stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you. Now the convocation procession will return in the same order. So I request Registrar Sir to lead the procession and all the heads to join.